I normally give this example. For example, immediately after the birth of the child, the first thing that the child does is crying. Now, by crying, the child is not asking for a lengthy discourse on Buddhism or any religion, right? The child is asking for somebody's unconditional love. So that kind of unconditional love, these are kind of the basic spirituality or the basic, human goodness or human values. So love and compassion, I would say these are some of the most important human qualities. Because if you look at the very structure of our physiology, you see, it is very much dependent on love and others' care for its nourishment, for its flourishing. If you think carefully, like for example, each and every individual, they love themselves. And each and every individual, despite certain limitation, they try their best to do something for themselves. Like you look after yourself, you feed yourself, you sleep, you take care of your clothing. Day in and day out, you take care of yourself. And if somebody out of the blue turns up and ask this very strange question that I saw you taking so much care about yourself, why you are taking so much care about yourself? You see, then the right answer will be, I take care of myself because I want happiness, do not want suffering. Not because you are a professor or scientist or great teacher or something like that. The main answer, correct answer is, I want happiness, do not want suffering. So if that is the correct answer, then similarly others also want happiness and do not want suffering. Right? And then you don't live in vacuum, you live with other people. So the more you care about others, the more you will be the one who will receive the benefit. So it's actually very simple logic, and then we are a social animal, you see. So it's for our own goodness, we need to take care of other people, other sentient beings, environment and so forth.